Alright, this is your video for AMC for tomorrow at 7:29. So 7:29 tomorrow. This is your AMC update and overall AMC update for the week. So this isn't just going to be about tomorrow, but I am going to give you a price prediction for tomorrow, but I'm also going to give you a price prediction for the end of the week. I'm going to give you a high and a low so you can figure out, in between there, between if you're bullish or bearish, where you're going to be and make your best decision. So hopefully this helps you pick a good price point, a good price target, make some money, and get some information. We're also going to go over some data on AMC that might help you as well. So let's go ahead and get into that. Check that out and see what's going on. So we're here with the chart, and I just want to point out something here immediately. You can tell that we are battling for this $40 level. As you can see, we had multiple tests over multiple days. So this is the after hour. These gray areas, these darker areas are days. So we tested the 40 area all day, and we just can't seem to get past it. So what we need to do is hold 40, get past it so we can move on to that. Once we get into the 60s, things are going to get really, really, really interesting and can get really, really, really crazy. And let's not forget gamma squeezes and short squeezes. So the last day we had was over here. We had a very good green day, moved up, and then tested this 39 level. As you can see, they're trying to hold us down, trying to keep us down, trying to keep us away from this 40 level, because they know once we get past this 40 level, things can go crazy, and they can go crazy quick. So we're going to just go in and zoom in for the daily time frame, just to show you guys something, that we're still on track for this double bottom here. So as you can see, we were systematically algorithmic traded down, just trade, and then hit this double bottom with this strong support zone of 30, 31. If you can get this stock for anywhere around $30, $31, that is absolute gold on this stock. Absolute gold, $30, $31. If you ever get a chance to buy it. But we're still on this uptrend here. As you can see, we still have the trend line, still very, very, very steep. We still have the touch point here. We have the touch point here to confirm. So you should have at least two touch points, maybe three. You can kind of count this if you want. But as you can see, we're still moving up. And if you go with the parabolic arc theory, even that has some retracement as it's moving up towards the upside. So we are on that uptrend, and if we move even into the weekly, I want to show you guys something. This is a 2-week uptrend. So each candle in the weekly time frame obviously is a week, and look, this is a week uptrend. So 2 weeks we've been moving up. So we're definitely on our way to the upside, definitely on our way to the bounce. And then obviously GME is something you want to cover too with it, because when GME does well, AMC normally does well. But more important, you want to check out the Russell's IWM 2000, and it's at 220 right now. Really what we wanted to do is break 222 or 223, which is I believe it's all-time high right now of all time, but we really wanted to break at least 222 and stay at 222, and really stop dragging down AMC, because that's really what I think's going on a lot of these times. I know that there's manipulation, but I think that the Russells seems to be dragging it down more often than not. So again, let's just go over to the 1-hour time frame. Or the daily time frame. Check out that double bottom. Just remember that's at 32, 30 level. So anywhere in between 30, 32. If it drops below that, then I would be concerned. But everyone has their own trading plan. Me personally, that would be concerning, but I don't think that we're going to be around there anytime soon. I definitely think we're going to be on the upside, up to the 50s, 60s, and way beyond. So that's it on the charts. If we go ahead and check out Reddit, you can see that the SEC is now officially new bills. So they're making new bills, maybe possibly doing something about payment for order flow and a couple other things. Um, that's one thing I found interesting. Another one is this. So the real AMC price for non-synthetics traded at $8,000, and the synthetic price is only, uh, what you see. Now, I'm not I'm not too much into this. This is kind of conspiracy for me, but I have heard of this non-real price thing, and some different evidence. Some of it sounds crazy, but some people can explain it differently, that it does kind of make sense. And they're saying that uh, non-synthetic shares are trading for $8,000, and that would be absolutely crazy to get $8,000 a share. That's just something that I wanted to share with you guys. And then quickly, if you go over here to Market Beat, I'm just going to run down on short interest for you guys. This is a cool website. They can get a whole bunch of information on stocks. So let's go ahead and check out the options chain real quick. As you can see, we have the 125 strike prices and 120 strike prices. I've heard of 145 and 140 strike prices on some brokers, but that's a pretty high strike price, which means obviously they think that the stock could reach that price at some point in the future. So that's good to see that on there. And then quickly moving over to the short interest, we can see that as this is not accurate, but it's hard to get accurate short interest, but it's better than nothing. But we can see that for the short interest on the float, percentage of float shorted is 16%, as on 7/15/2021. And then of course social media interest, we can check it out, and then we can see that people are mentioning AMC all the time. AMC is good, AMC, pray for our brothers. Apes, Sweden buying, German market 39.60. So it looks like they're going right now. They're probably going to 40. Yeah, I can see the German flag. So this is people from Germany. Obviously, they're having a fun time and having a good day. So that's a good social media sentiment for AMC, even across the world. So let's go. Let's have a great day. All right, so there you have it. All the information for AMC for tomorrow, to prepare you for tomorrow and the rest of the week, which is Friday, and then of course Thursday. So my price prediction for tomorrow, for the high is $42. So the high is $42, and the low for the price prediction is $36. So I think the lowest it'll possibly go is $36, and then the highest it'll possibly go is $42, maybe 43. Now the end of the week price prediction, I think it's going to go to 35 or 36, and the low for the week, I think it's going to be at 40. So at the end of the week, Friday, I think it's going to be low 40, and then the high is going to be 46. And then for tomorrow, the low is going to be 36, and then the high is going to be 42 or maybe 43. So those are my price predictions. Don't hate me. Don't kill the messenger. Obviously, we think this thing's going to go much higher, but things take time. But those are my price predictions. If you guys have price predictions, go ahead and drop them in the comments. Love to hear them. Hopefully you found value in the video and entertainment, all that good stuff. Like, subscribe. Peace out.